Hi, my name is Shai Bartek, and this is my CSS Zen Garden midterm. Go ahead and open that. So I kept it quite simple. I've been learning a lot since I've actually started this whole college career thing that a lot of the best art and the best things are best kept simple. So that's what I've been trying to do, not overcomplicate things because I love to do that. But so I wanted to go for kind of like a Mulan type theme. I don't know. Just because I was thinking of like CSS Zen Garden, and I was thinking of Zen and gardens, and it just really made me think of like that culture and everything. So I went with these colors of like the dark red, the black, the tans, and then a little bit of blue or green. I wanted to make sure that I use the CSS so that when you hover over your links that they change color. When you click them, they change color. Oh, maybe not. Well, something like that. But I just thought this color scheme went really well together. And I actually am most proud of the background. I hand drew this sort of viney look here, and I thought it went really well. I also used the border CSS to make sure it was all centered in the middle of the screen. I italicized the headings, put this little box right here. I also hand drew like a little tulip decal, and I put it in there, the CSS, like we learned, I think in chapter 15. But it won't show up for some reason. But it is fixed position right there, follows me along the screen. But I just couldn't get it to show up. So if you guys have any examples as to why, that would be awesome. This is my code. I kind of kept it simple, or tried to. I used the Google font families. Got all this information on here. I was really interested in how we did the colors. Like, it was really nice learning the color theory and the different colors, because I feel like they never really went over a good color scheme for like online stuff. Like, I don't know, I just thought that was very, very interesting. I loved learning about that. Here's where I put my tulip in right here, where I can't get it to show up on the website, but it's right there. So yeah, this is the website. I feel like compared to everyone else's, maybe I should have went a little more elaborate. I was very impressed with a lot of the work that I saw. People really worked hard on this, and I felt like I put a lot of work into this, but maybe I should have done a little more. But yeah, so this is what we got. Make sure I answered all the questions. Yeah, I would just say the biggest challenge I encountered was definitely that tulip over here. Could not get that to work. And then when I was looking for color schemes as to what I wanted to do, it was really complicated trying to figure out, well, you have the 3 colors that you want to use, or 5, or however many colors you want to use, and then you have to choose one for the background, and then what's going to work well with the lettering, and what's going to work well with the headers and the links. So it was really interesting trying to figure out how to make all of that work. So what would I revise knowing what I know now? Definitely just being, I guess, a little bit more elaborate. I would probably try to put some more boxes in there, some more photos, maybe make it a little more, I don't know, just make it, I guess, less simple, because maybe it may be a little too simple. yeah. I really think that's about it. I really hope you like my design. I really loved looking over a lot of yours. And I guess I hope to be a little bit more elaborate next time. Maybe I'll choose a theme because I felt like I went with like the Mulan theme, but maybe I could have went a little bit more in depth with it. So, all right. Well, thank you so much. Let me know what you think and any critiques that you might have because I'd love to hear them. Coding is so complicated. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I have struggled very much with this. So, if you have any tips for me to make this less complicated, that would be fantastic. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.